Hey guys, Adrian from Redwater Dodge, the home of regularly Rams, regularly Proves, and regularly Used. I'm about regularly Rams, well, regularly Jeeps today. We got a 2025 Jeep Wrangler, regularly Jeep, guys. This one is on a Fox factory lift kit from us here in store. Falcon 35-inch tires. We got the nice motor under the hood, the 2-liter, 8-speed automatic transmission, Fox shocks. We got the kickback flaps, Western side steps with nice, what do you call these, like foot indentings, keyless entry, cloth suede interior with 4-corner power windows and locks, heated seats and steering wheel, the nice interior with the orange stitching, removable Freedom hardtop, guys, so you can take any of these panels off. 60/40 bench. We do have the one side fold down so I can show you. We got the blacked out appearance, so all the blacked out bumpers, the roof and the flares. Backup cameras nice tucked away. We even have a matching spare tire, so you're not like the guys that drive around with big tires and the small little wheels. It drives me insane. We got Alpine audio system, so you do have the built-in subwoofer, which is weatherproof, guys. So if it's raining and hitting a big puddle or anything like that with the roof off, it's not going to get wrecked. Good amount of storage. You have your bolt hose here for anything like the bolts for the roof or the doors. Oops. You got this nice tucked away down. Magnesium tailgate, guys. This is the lightest in class tailgate. Super strong too, so it can accommodate the oversized tires. It comes with the reinforcements, guys, so it's super sweet. We do have blind spot monitoring. We do have adaptive cruise, 4x4 on the fly, power options all throughout. So, and even tinted windows. Wow, check that out. So guys, for more information, just give us a call, 780-942-3629.